here's the dress I'm working on today. I did a build-up on this dress. This dress was originally strapless, and I did that build-up. Well, the bride loved it, wore it, and now she has a beautiful baby named Olive. Isn't that the most darling name? And now she wants a baby blessing dress made out of her wedding dress, which is very sweet. But I cut and hemmed it, and I will use the bottom half, her train mostly, for little Olive's baby blessing dress. But I didn't have the heart to just tear up the whole dress. Didn't think it was necessary. So here we still have a dress. I don't know, but I just feel better about life not cutting the whole dress up. I'll let you see the baby blessing dress when it's done. Bye-bye. All right, here it is, the finished product. Look at this beautiful blessing dress. Oh, it's so cute. Here's the little bonnet. Look at right down there, the lace, and then the ribbon starts. So gorgeous. This was really such a joy to make. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Just beautiful. Here's the dress. What's left of it. I decided just to cut it, use the bottom, and save the dress, so if she wanted to wear that to the baby blessing, she could wear what's left of her wedding dress. Now it's, probably knee or maybe an inch below the knee, her dress now that I made that out of. So fun, and such a fun bride to work with on the original dress and now on her baby blessing dress. I am so tickled. Bye-bye.